Today, I'm going to show you how to add your free business listing to EZlocal's directory. Hi guys, Brandon again with EZlocal. All right, to start out, you're going to want to go to dash.ezlocal.com. Look for the big green button that says Create Your Free Business Listing and go ahead and click on it. Enter your business name and business phone number in the designated fields, and then click the green Continue button. Once you've entered your business name and phone number, you'll arrive at this page where you can add additional business information. You'll add your address in the designated field, city, state, zip, include your website URL, set your primary category, and your business description. Scroll to the bottom, make sure that you've completed this to the best of your ability. Click the CAPTCHA box here and continue. Okay, once you've input all of that information and submitted your listing, you will arrive at this page where you'll have the option to enroll in paid services, wherein we syndicate your listing to other directories to help with your Google rankings. If you're interested in hearing more about that program, send an email to cs@ezlocal.com. Thanks for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future tips and tutorials. Till next time.